Hello friends, welcome to all. Today we will discuss about lithium ion batteries. There are various types of batteries which is in practice in market. Generally there is lead acid batteries, tubular batteries, dry batteries, and today we will discuss on lithium ion batteries. So lithium ion batteries have a lots of advantages over other types of batteries. That's why its demand is increasing day by day as it occupies less space. The volume of lithium ion battery is less in comparable to other batteries. The capacity is more than 1.5 times than other batteries. The weight is also less of lithium ion batteries, and it works at high operating temperature range, that is up to minus 20 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius, and of course the price will be high. Today we will discuss about lithium ion PO4 batteries, LiFe PO4 batteries, and it has the ability of quick charging. It also have longer life cycles, eco-friendly, and the performance is very high. As per the safety norms, lithium ion battery is very good, and it requires a very minimum maintenance or negligible maintenance. So the demand of lithium ion battery is increasing day by day. So various types of applications of lithium ion batteries are there. Generally it can be used in solar applications such as street lights, residential solar, solar spotlights, and solar fan. So a small battery is used in such applications, and generally the specification of solar application lithium batteries are 12.8 volt to 10 Ah. It is small in size, and it also have one of the property of communication. By the help of Bluetooth we can get the real-time data of the lithium ion batteries, how much it's charged and how much it's discharged. And for solar applications the specification is 12.8 volt and 10 Ah, and the general 8 cells pack is available, and generally the weight of it is 1.5 kilogram. It is cylindrical cells we are using. There are two types of cell, one is cylindrical and the another one is prismatic. So in solar application we are using 8 cylindrical cells of weight generally 1.5 kilogram and 12.8 volt and 10 Ah current. The second one is we can use the lithium ion batteries in electric scooters. So in electric scooters more voltage is needed, so instead of using 12.8 volt we can use 48 volt lithium ion battery having 24 Ah current. It is also a cylindrical cells, lithium cells. A pack of 60 cells will be weight around 14 kilogram. So we can also change the specification, we can also change the cell size and packages as per the requirement. The third one is lithium ion batteries can also be used for the energy storage system, such as the inverter in homes or another energy storage systems in commercial areas. We can use lithium ion batteries. Of course the price is high, but its efficiency is 1.5 to 1.6 times higher than the normal batteries. So as a long term the price will be economical. The size is less, it is compact in size, so the space availability, as per the space availability lithium ion batteries can also be used, and of course the weight is also very less. For energy storage system we use 48 volt batteries, and capacity is more, that is 80 Ah capacity. In energy storage system we use prismatic cells, and generally the weight of this cell is 39 to 40 kilograms. And as per the normal lead acid battery, generally we used 150 Ah battery having a DOD of 60%, but in such case energy storage system we use battery 80 Ah battery, and similar type of work will available at 150 Ah battery, and The DOD of such batteries, lithium ion batteries, is 90 to 100%. So a small battery can be used instead of large 150 Ah battery. So as per the price, we can say for a long term it is economical. Instead of using 150 Ah lead acid battery, we can use 80 Ah lithium ion battery. So the price will be marginal. Now the next one is for electric rickshaw. In electric rickshaws generally is electric vehicles. As per the government norms, governments are promoting electric vehicles under phase 2 scheme, and under this lots of subsidy government is providing, but there is a need that battery should be lithium ion. So for electric rickshaw we can also use lithium ion batteries, as the lead acid battery size are very large and it is very heavy. So as per the electric vehicle it is not compact or not suitable. So for electric vehicles lithium ion battery is best suitable, and generally we use higher voltage to get high speed of electric vehicles. So we use 60 volt lithium ion batteries for electric rickshaw having a current of 80 Ah. In such cases also we use prismatic cells. Generally we use a pack of 19 cells, prismatic cells having a weight of around 60 kilogram. So these all batteries, lithium ion batteries, comes under 3-year warranty and all are under safety norms, and the rating is IP65 rating, so suitable for environmental condition also. And we can also get the real-time data by using Bluetooth. It is optional, you can use it or not. And such type of electric rickshaw battery can be used in e-rickshaws, e-carts, forklifts and golf carts. Okay, for more information or commercial purpose you can contact us. Thank you.